Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Epson DS-30 portable bar scanner. It's a sheet fed scanner, so once you get any sort of dirt or debris on the scan bar inside the scanner, it will cause lines all the way across your paperwork. So normally when you purchase these, there's little rubber feet on the bottom. We've pulled the rubber feet off with a pair of pliers to expose the screws. And there's two screws at one end, and we remove those, and one screw at the other end. And the scanner is hinged on this end with one screw. And the one screw end also happens to be where the cable plugs in to operate. So once you've removed all the screws, you pry the scanner apart and just kind of wiggle it free on the hinged end, and it opens up for you. This ribbon cable pulled loose, so I'll have to plug that back in when I put it back together. This bar here is what sheet feeds your paper through the scanner, and you can clean this, and then this flat panel here is what's actually recording the scan. And any spots of ink or whiteout or anything like that will cause lines all the way across your paper. I use a mixture of distilled water and a few drops of lemon juice to clean this because it doesn't leave a residue. The scan bar will pop off on this end, and that exposes this, and there's lines here and here from debris. I'm just going to gently wipe this. You don't want your rag to be too wet because you don't want to get water down in there, but you just wipe it, debris off, dry it off again, and when you're done, you just want a nice clean shiny surface on the glass, and then you won't have lines on your paperwork. When you've done that, you just snap this back on, reattach this ribbon cable. If I was a little less aggressive pulling this apart, I wouldn't have yanked that ribbon cable out. We get the ribbon cable out, and then here's that hinge I was talking about right there. You just got to align the hinged portion back up again. Snap the two halves of the clamshell back together, and then reinsert the three screws that I removed in the beginning. And that's all there is to cleaning the DS-30. We use these in our mobile environment, and pieces of paper, whiteout, Sharpie, all these things get down inside the scanner and end up causing big dark lines across the paper. So by cleaning it every month or so, you get nice clean scans. And there you go, we're right back where we started. The scanner's ready to plug in and be used again.